I'm now in the plane. Hi. I'm so excited.
4312 to Dubai.
Boarding has now started, so I'm going to board my flight. I'm inside the sky bridge, walking towards the plane. Can't wait to see how the plane will look like. Most of the time is the Airbus A380, which is the biggest passenger plane in the world. Yep, I said it. It's the Airbus A380. The biggest passenger plane in the world. I hope you can see it. It's huge. Hi, how are you? Okay. Thanks very much. I'm now in the plane. Hi. I'm so excited. Seat 62. Okay. 62A.
Keep going. Just a couple more.
Okay. Okay. 62A, yeah. So that's my seat. That's my seat, a window seat. I always like window seats. That's inside the Airbus A380 economy class. This time I'm broke, so I couldn't fly business. My economy too is great. Emirates economy isn't too bad. It's still awesome. Welcome on board Emirates. I'm looking so tired and sleepy. It's 1:24 a.m. So I've had a lot during the day, packing my luggages, getting organized before heading to the airport. Anyways, I'm glad I've made it into the plane. I'm now sitting comfortably in my seat. We've taken off from Brisbane, Australia, flying non-stop to Dubai, UAE. Being a frequent flyer, the Airbus A380 is normally chockers. It's always full from Brisbane to Dubai. Unfortunately, the flight this morning wasn't full. There's a lot of empty seats. So the advantage is anytime I want to go to the loo, I don't have to excuse anyone. I'll just walk straight to the loo, and if I want to stretch myself, I can turn some of the seats next to me as a bed. Bonus. We'll continue when I arrive at Dubai International Airport. I'll give you a walking tour of the Dubai International Airport before I exit. So I'll see you very soon tomorrow. It's going to be a very long flight, about 16 hours in the sky, all the way from Brisbane on the east coast of Australia to the heart of the Middle East. We will lose something like a day somewhere in the sky. Once in Dubai, I'll walk around the airport, showcase it to you. Then the rest of the adventures will continue from then. Have a good night wherever you are. I'll see you tomorrow morning in Dubai. This flight is super fast. So instead of 16 hours, it's going to take 13 hours 48 minutes rather. So point of correction, it's not 16 hours journey, it's rather 13 hours 48 minutes in the Airbus A380, which is awesome. We've landed in Dubai. Good morning from Dubai. I just exited the plane and I'm about to go through security, then customs and immigration. Welcome to Dubai. Good morning from Dubai, where the local time is 9:45 a.m. We just landed and I'm about to go through security, customs and immigration. Welcome to Dubai. I'm approaching the immigration, so I'll go through immigration first before customs and the baggage claim place. So I think this place I can video. I'll pause the video. I'm about to go through passport control and we will continue very soon. Okay folks, I've passed through immigration and I'm now going to my carousel to claim my luggage before I'll go through customs and exit the airport. So this is the arrival hall of Dubai International Airport. Very flashy and modern, clean, bling bling, as you can see. I think that's my suitcase. Yup, that's it. Lucky me, it didn't take long. I just arrived around the carousel and I've got my luggages already. So time to go through customs, then I'll exit the airport and start my Dubai adventure. It's a very beautiful arrival hall, spacious and well kept, well looked after. I'm about to go through customs now, so I'll turn off the camera once again and we'll continue later. I've now exited the arrival hall. The customs just saw me and gave me a go ahead, so there was no any checks or scrutiny. It was just a very smooth process. So I'm now out and I have to find a transport. I think I'll take the metro. That's the most convenient way. I'll also download an Uber app and check which one will be more convenient to me, and I'll go by the flow. So I'm in Dubai and that will be the end of this particular video. I'll give you some street walking tours and showcase different parts of the United Arab Emirates to you during my stay. So once again, welcome to the UAE. See ya. Bye bye.